Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nandini Joshi and the topic of our today's discussion is analog data and analog signal, and we will also discuss about the three types of analog modulations. Basically, a signal is an electromagnetic or electrical current that carries data from one system or network to another. There are two main types of signals used in electronics: analog and digital signals. A digital signal is a signal that represents data as a sequence of discrete values. A digital signal can only take on one value from finite set of possible values at a given time, whereas analog signals are continuous waveforms in nature and are represented by continuous electromagnetic waves. But ever wondered that how does these signals are conveyed? The first thing that comes to our mind is through a medium. Yes, analog signal uses a given property of the medium to convey the signal's information, such as the electricity moving through a wire. Analog signals are modified to represent analog data. This conversion is also known as analog modulation. Now, we will discuss about the three types of analog modulations: AM, FM, and PM. The first one is amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation is a modulation technique where the amplitude of a carrier varies depending on the information signal. The frequency range of amplitude modulation radio varies from 535 to 1705 kHz, which is most commonly used for transferring messages with a radio carrier wave. The second type of analog modulation is FM, that is frequency modulation. In this modulation, the frequency of the carrier wave is modified according to the signal that carries information. The frequency range of FM is 88 MHz to 108 MHz in the higher spectrum, which enables to transmit stereo signals. Now, for the waveforms of amplitude and frequency modulation, there is a difference in how the carrier wave is modulated or altered. In amplitude modulation, the frequency and phase of the carrier wave remains the same. That's why the waves can transmit longer distances but has poor sound quality. Whereas in frequency modulation, the amplitude and phase of the carrier wave remains the same, which results in a higher bandwidth and better sound quality. The third and the last type of analog modulation is phase modulation, that is PM. While in both previous modulations, AM and FM, the amplitude and frequency kept changing, but the phase remained the same. The phase modulation is the modulation pattern for conditioning communication signals for transmission. Phase modulation works by modulating the phase of the signal. This changes the phase of the signal from what it would have been if no modulation was applied. That is, the speed of rotation around the circle is modulated about the mean value. Used for transmitting radio waves and technologies like Wi-Fi, GSM, and satellite television. So, in this video, we came to know more about the analog signals and different methods of analog modulation like amplitude, frequency, and phase modulations. Thank you so much for your precious time.